viewers and community! Are you still wondering whether to pre-order or not? No worries! If you're into 3D printing, let us show you how easy it can be with Sonic Mighty AK. When you turn on your printer for the first time, the brand new system will guide you through all the setup and testing automatically. It's super easy. After finishing the basic settings, the printer will automatically guide you through the LCD test, Z-axis calibration, and XP Finder printing test. Select Next to start the first one, the LCD test, which includes 3 different parts: Light Up, LCD Grid, and Blackened. Each will run for 10 seconds. During this procedure, you only need to confirm that the image displayed on the LCD screen is exactly the same as the one on the touch screen. After the LCD test is finished, it will automatically lead you to the next step, Z-axis calibration. Again, simply follow the instructions on the touch screen to calibrate the Z-axis. After all procedures are completed, the building plate will automatically return to its position on the top of the Z-axis. After completing the Z-axis calibration, it will move on to the last step, which is XP Finder printing test. This test file is specifically sliced to be used with Aqua Gray AK. If you use other resin, please click Back and choose Other Resins. Install the resin back and pour Aqua Gray AK into the vat. XP Finder is a test model of resin's performance. It is designed by Frozen in order to find the best result of each resin under different parameter settings. By clicking on the image, you can switch the 3D view to the slide image that is currently printing. Once the printing is done, remove your model from building plate and then clean and cure it properly. Just like that, your very first print is now complete. For more information on the test result, go ahead and scan the QR code to see whether further adjustment is needed. And after that, the initial setup of the printer is now complete. If you want to do it all over again, or reset the printer back to its factory setting, simply go to the Hardware Testing and choose Restore to Factory Settings. See, it's not that hard. The initial setup can be super easy for everyone. There's no need to read the manual at all. Just simply follow our on-screen instructions and you are ready to go. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our website and pre-order now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you next time.